Starting around 03 October 2023, Cardano really is exchanging at 26 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.08% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally huge manner. ADA in every way that really matters has an essentially all-out market cap of $9,233,083,525 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $175,276,491, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This explicitly makes Cardano, ADA, by and large positioning at 8 in the digital currency market, which in every way that really matters is very critical. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano sort of be most certainly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Cardano in every way that really matters, wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in an extremely huge manner? Will ADA cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high, which all things considered is very huge? These really are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost generally is supposed to truly cross a truly normal value level of 34 cents, the normal sort of least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to basically be 33 cents, which certainly is very huge. Besides, ADA can arrive at in every practical sense, most extreme value level of 37 cents in an unpretentious manner. Cardano value figure August 2023, the especially normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could go to 31 cents toward the finish of August 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. ADA could by and large be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of 31 cents, with the genuinely least expected cost of 28 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the in every practical sense, greatest cost for Cardano could by and large stretch around 33 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 generally is 30 cents, with a typical cost of 31 cents in a significant manner. Cardano value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano really is supposed to be at around a genuinely least of 31 cents, which by and large is genuinely critical. Cardano cost can truly arrive at a limit of 34 cents, with the typical cost of 32 cents in United States dollars in a truly significant way. Cardano value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano fundamentally is supposed to in a real sense be at around a genuinely least of 32 cents, showing how might ADA cost basically outperform its unequaled high, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Cardano cost can by and large arrive at a limit of 36 cents, with the typical cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, showing how Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost explicitly is supposed to generally cross in every practical sense, normal value level of 34 cents. The normal especially least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the especially current year ought to be 33 cents, which truly is very critical. Cardano value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the truly greatest cost for Cardano could explicitly stretch around 37 cents in every way that really matters, further appearance how moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 truly is 30 cents with a sort of typical cost of 31 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 sort of is 33 cents, with an especially normal cost of 34 cents, or so they most certainly thought. Cardano in every way that really matters, past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto most certainly has been by and large diminished by 0.81% in its ongoing worth, showing how Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the ADA cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross a truly normal value level of 34 cents, the normal especially least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the for the most part current year ought to be 33 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. Assuming we fundamentally analyze the extremely current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. From most recent 7 days, the ADA really was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.08% in a very significant manner. Cardano generally has shown extremely areas of strength for lovely of potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, which especially is very critical. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA fundamentally diminished by 41.361%. Wiping out an astounding kind of normal amount of 19 cents from its truly current worth in a kind of enormous manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a kind of good to explicitly purchase a valuable open door for in every practical sense, speedy speculation, especially further appearance how Cardano value conjecture December 2023, in December 2023. The very most extreme cost for Cardano could by and large stretch around 37 cents, fundamentally further appearance how moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 sort of is 30 cents, with a genuinely normal cost of 31 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change basically is near 30.82%. And the cost especially circled from a kind of least sort of typical cost of 37 cents to really most extreme by and large normal cost of 39 cents in the kind of beyond 90 days, which for the most part is very huge. Cardano by and large is somewhere near 2.39% with the for the most part greatest in every way that really matters, normal cost of the coin generally was around 27 cents. And the genuinely least by and large normal cost of for the most part was around 26 cents in every practical sense, recent months, showing how inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month. The cost of ADA basically diminished by 41.361%, disposing of an astounding typical amount of 19 cents from its for the most part current worth, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano value figure 2023 facts. What will in every way that really matters be Cardano's sort of worth in 2023, which sort of is very critical. The ADA cost basically is estimated to by and large arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest degree of it basically is gauged that ADA will increment in esteem, exhibiting how Cardano value estimate August 2023, the sort of normal cost of Cardano ADA could basically go to 31 cents toward August 2023 in a kind of enormous manner's end. As per really unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Cardano can basically raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of $12.87 till 2030, showing how from especially most recent 7 days, the ADA by and large was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.08%, which explicitly is very critical. Is Cardano's sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Cardano's worth truly is supposed to in every practical sense keep on extending.